Hello everybody, it's Nina. Thanks for joining me today. Have you seen the new Simon Says Stamp March 2018 card kit, Choose Joy? Well, this one is a really fun kit, and one of the most exciting things about the kit is that you get 2 stamp sets in the kit. I'm really also excited about the fact that I got to design this one here, which is the Showers and Flowers set. I've incorporated some really fun, cute critters, such as the ducky playing in the puddles, a cute bunny, and also a fun little set of galoshes with flowers inside. Now there's also the Choose Joy stamp set, which has a more whimsical theme than the realistic style that I illustrated the other set in. This set was designed by Christina Werner, the Choose Joy set, and features, like I said, a really fun collection of beautiful whimsical images. Both sets coordinate perfectly with your kit. Now, one of the things that's really fun that I purposely did with the Showers and Flowers stamp set is that I designed the stamp set to fit with these pom-poms that are included in your kit as well. These pom-poms are going to fit on the bunny that's in the stamp set perfectly, and you can create a really fun little puffy tail for him or her. One of my favorite glues right now is the Simon Says Stamp Craft Tacky Glue, and this is the glue I would use when I'm adhering down these pom-poms onto my projects. So I put a little bit of glue over top of the tail of the bunny, and then I take one of those pom-poms and I hold it in place on top of that glue for just a minute or two, and that way it gives it a chance to adhere down onto that adhesive. But there you can see how adorable this bunny looks and how it gives such cute dimension to your image. Another fun embellishment in the kit is the Tonic Studios Aqua Shimmer Pen. This is a beautiful clear glitter pen, and it's got a brush nib on it, so it's perfect for creating really beautiful glittery areas on your projects. I want to show you here how well it shimmers on your project. I'm putting some of that glitter onto the bunny, and I'm adding it in certain areas, and as I tip it in the light, you can see how much shimmer is sitting on top of that bunny, on his ears, and also around his cheeks and his belly. Now I'm going to show you about this particular brush. This brush I already opened, but when you get your brush, it's going to have a ring around it. I'm going to show you an example here with a Wink of Stella pen. This is a very similar type of brush pen, although it does have a slight difference, and I'll show you. But this particular pen, and any other brush pen you get like this, has a ring that you'll need to remove before you go ahead and use it. Once you remove the ring, you'll twist everything back together, and then you can go ahead and continue working with your brush. Now, to get the brush going, for the first time around, you're going to need to squeeze the brush to get the glittery liquid to go through the capsule and down into the brush nib and start flowing. Once you do that, you won't need to prep it like this again. Now, like I said, there's a difference between the Wink of Stella brush, which many of you have, between that and the Aqua Shimmer pen. I've already put the Aqua Shimmer down onto the black cardstock, and now I just put down some of the Wink of Stella. The Aqua Shimmer pen, which is what you get in your kit, is on the left. The Wink of Stella is on the right, and you can see that the Nuvo Tonic Studios Aqua Shimmer pen has a much clearer and whiter glitter to it. It's almost like a true clear glitter, whereas the Wink of Stella has more of a warmer tone, and I honestly prefer the clear over the warmer tone. But it all is personal preference, and you get to test out this really fun Aqua Shimmer glitter pen from Tonic Studios in your card kit. How about that? Alright, more embellishments that are included in your kit are these beautiful stickers by Carta. More fun Carta products that coordinate with that Spring Market collection are these beautiful pattern papers that feature many of the images you just saw in the sticker sheets. I love the spring theme of these papers. That flower one is gorgeous, and there's a lot of really fun prints and solid colors that you can use to create some really beautiful accents on your cards. We've included 2 Simon Says Stamp mini ink cubes in Wisteria and Hollyhock. I'm going to put these down onto paper here so you can kind of get an idea of what the colors are. Now bear in mind that these will dry back, but this is a pretty close representation of how the colors look when you'll stamp them. You can see that we've got a beautiful purple and a nice pink. There are 3 pre-scored cards. This one I've already folded so you can see how it looks. It's an A2 size card once folded, but this will come pre-scored and flat, so you'll just need to fold it over, and you've got 3 cards ready to go ahead and start decorating so you can get crafty as soon as you get the kit. Once you've made your cards, there are 3 envelopes that you can start sending those cards out in. We've got cotton candy and lavender metallic envelopes. Beautiful colors and match perfectly with the kit. And then we also have this awesome khaki wood grain envelope, which is a really fun texture. It really does feel like wood grain. It's awesome. To coordinate with all of these things, we've got some Simon Says Stamp cardstocks. We've got Green Apple, Green Leaf, Cotton Candy, and then Nina, Desert Storm, and Solar White. That's a quick look at all of the contents that are in the Simon Says Stamp March 2018 card kit. I have loved this kit, and I've created a few things already with it, and I can't wait to share them with you. This little bunny is going to be on one of them. This is a sneak peek of the card that I'm putting up right now on my YouTube channel and blog. I'll have a link down in the video description where you can find this card and tutorial. I hope you will check it out. You can also click on it here at the end of the screen. Thanks so much for visiting me today. I will be back again very soon with more inspiration for you. Until then, have a great day. Bye!